The F-35 Lightning II is a multi-role stealth fighter. It can do air-to-ground, air-to-air, and even intelligence missions. It comes in 3 flavors: F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C. The F-22 Raptor, it's an air superiority champ. Primarily built for dogfighting, but it can also handle ground attacks and electronic warfare. Stealth, the F-22 wins with a smaller radar cross-section. Speed, the Raptor hits 2.25 Mach, the F-35 only 1.6 Mach. But the F-35 shines with advanced sensors and battlefield awareness. It also packs a bigger punch with various missiles and bombs. Cost-wise, the F-35 is cheaper and widely exported. The F-22, pricier and exclusive to the US. So, which one's your favorite? The versatile F-35 or the stealthy F-22? Comment below.